The Sharon Cuneta Show. And the sizzler begins with a megastar, Miss Sharon Cuneta.
He's going too wrong. You made a mistake, boy. I'll let you explain. I can't believe it. Oh no, you did it. You have never been that kind of man. Oh no, I must admit it. You were done with it, but you were the best I've ever had. Oh, right now I'm going through some changes. I've always thought you were a faithful kind of man. I never thought I would be jilted. Baby, will you kiss my lips? I'd say right now. Oh, the moment. Baby, I lost my head, lost my mind, didn't know what to do. In the heat of the moment, baby, I fell in love with you. Lost my head, lost my mind. Now that he's done it, oh how he wants it. But I got to be a stronger girl. Oh yeah, I love my baby, and I can't lose my baby. But if I knew he would lose everything he had, don't wanna go through no more changes. Now please promise that you'll be a better man. Here you are again attempting. Baby, will you kiss my lips? I'd say right now, right now. Oh, the moment. Baby, I lost my head, lost my mind, didn't know what to do. The heat of the moment. Baby, I fell in love with you. The heat of the moment. Oh, baby, you drive me crazy. Lost my mind, didn't know what to do. I love my baby, and I can't lose my baby. But I fell in love with you. So now please promise that you'll be a better man. Oh, baby, will you kiss my lips? I'd say right now, right now. The heat of the moment. Oh, baby, I lost my head, lost my mind, didn't know what to do. The heat of the moment. Baby, I fell in love with you. The heat of the moment. Baby, I lost my head, lost my mind, didn't know what to do. The heat of the moment. Baby, I fell in love with you. In the heat of the moment. Baby, I fell in love with you.
This sensational evening will continue with our megastar and her guests in a moment.
Gan, eto na po siya. Matagal ko na pong hindi nakakasama, pero love ko pa rin ho siya. Kahit ganyan. Mga kaibigan, wala pong iba kundi si Ogie Diaz. Hello, Ogie!
Good evening, Ate Shara.
Hello, good evening, Ogie.
Akala ko kasi galit ka sa akin.
Hindi ako galit. Tampo lang ako nung una. Hindi, okay lang yun. Na-misinform ka lang. Pag na-misinform ka, tanungin mo ako. Anyway, Ogie.
Anyway, Ate Sharon, pinatatanong mga fans kung naliligaw din si Robin sa'yo. Ano na raw ang lagay ni Robin sa puso mo?
Like I said last week, hindi na kami masyadong madalas magkita because we're both busy working and I got sick pa and all that. Before that, he got sick also. Yung nadalaw ko lang siya, ganyan. Pero yung talagang hindi na kami masyadong nakikita kasi hindi katulad noon na pag nag-shooting kami, magkasama kami lagi. Then afterwards, hindi pa kami busy, so nakikita pa kami even after the movie was finished. Pero ngayon, once in a while na lang, ganun. So, okay lang kasi I don't want to, jump into anything now. Not yet. Anyway, and Robin and I naman remain close.
Ate siya, may lumabas, siguro aware ka sa balitang yung ikakasal daw kayo sa Australia. Ano ba ang totoo doon?
Hindi ko yata alam yung balitang yun. Talaga meron?
Lumabas.
Hindi, alam niyo mga kaibigan, di po totoo yun. Sana po wag naman bigyan ng kulay ng ilang tao yung pagsama ni Robin sa grupo namin sa Australia. Unang-una po, ang pagpunta ko doon ay para magtrabaho. Hindi ko nga ho alam kung magkakaroon ako ng tiyempo magpahinga. Siguro yung pahinga ko po, makikita ko na lang po yun sa Hong Kong after Australia. Pero marami naman pong lakad na hiwalay kami na ngayon pa lang kasi I'll be working, I'll be ganyan. And yun na, I don't see him too often anymore. Siguro there, okay lang naman yung we're still close friends. Pero ang hirap lang kasi wag sana lagyan ng ibang kulay na hindi maganda. Yung kung magpapakasal po ako di ikagagal ako pang i-announce. Hindi naman ho.
Pinatatanong din ng mga fans na kung si Robin, kung anak kay Robin na ba ang lahat ng katangiang hinahanap mo sa isang lalaki na matagal? Ang mga katangian kay Robin na matagal mo nang inaasam-asam sa isang lalaki.
Alam mo, you won't see hindi mo makikita lahat ng katangian na hinahanap mo sa isang tao lang. Ganun naman yun hindi naman pwedeng ang tao 5 asawa, o 5 boyfriend, o 5 girlfriend. Hindi pwedeng ganun. So, syempre, hindi lahat-lahat nakikita mo sa isang tao. Pero marami naman siyang katangian na nakakatuwa, na endearing, ganyan, at saka mabait siyang tao, ganyan. Although, kinikilala ko pa siyang mabuti, ganon. Ang lang, sana nga wag siyang magbago. Kasi di ba nangako si Robin sa inyong lahat? Nung araw pa? At saka maraming naglalahad ng mga kung ano-anong mga paghayag si Robin nung araw, di ba? Tignan na lang nating lahat kung kaya niyang panindigan yon. Kung hindi, ibig sabihin lahat tayo inaloko. Kaya hintayin na lang natin.
Sa palagay mo ba, ate siya, faithful lover si Robin? Faithful lover si Robin. Kung faithful lover si Robin.
Teka muna, hindi ko pa lover. Malay mo kung faithful. Yun ang gusto kong makita. If ganon.
Hindi ka ba ngayong...
Sagutin ko na daw. Teka muna, baka ipahamak niyo ako.
Hindi pa man daw kayo magkasindaan, parang nag-aaway na raw kayo? Totoo ba yon?
Kailan kami naman nag-aaway?
Narinig ko sa telepono daw. 4 hours daw kayo nag-aaway. Totoo ba yon?
4 hours at... Ogie, every 30 minutes ng buhay ko nakaschedule. Hindi ako marunong magtelebabad na ganun katagal. Nung teenager ako, oo. Pero ngayong mga araw na to, kalokohan sa akin yung nagbababad ng ganun katagal sa telepono. Kahit si Richard, tanungin mo kung nagbabad kami ng ganun katagal. Never. No, that's not true. That's not true. Siyempre, minsan yung mga tampuhan kunyari, ganyan. Pero wala, nothing, wala kaming away.
Nabanggit mo si Richard, o kumusta na nga pala kayo ni Richard?
Richard and I are still friends. And in fact now, okay lang. We're okay naman. Siyempre, hindi na kami nakikita. Huwag naman ganyan. Iba yung pinapag-usapan Baka magtampo naman sa inyo yung ibang tao. No, but when
Hi, babes. How's Casey?
Sino yun? No, we're okay. We're friends naman now. I will always wish Richard well, Ogie, kasi may pinagsamahan kami. It was a very nice relationship naman in general. And he'll always be a part of me. Hindi naman matatanggal yon. And ang maganda doon, we really parted ways as friends. So, hindi pwedeng So, we're okay. We're still friends.
Marami pa rin ang umaasam-asam na magkakabalikan kayo ni Gabi. Ano bang lagay ni Gabi sa puso mo?
Si Gabi? Nalilito. No, Gab, you know, eto. I think it's okay to say it kasi Gabby and I now, we're very, very close. We're
Babes,
good friends.
I miss you.
Talaga nakakapag-usap kami ng tungkol sa kanya-kanya naming buhay. Ang mga kaibigan talagang friends lang. Walang ano, yung as of now, wala akong masasabing yung, uy, magbabalikan kami. Kaya hindi. But we're friends. Napapag-usapan namin yung buhay naming dalawa na magkahiwala, yung mga nangyari na sa mga buhay namin, yung ganyan. And we keep in touch because of Casey. And ang gaang-gaang naman dalhin dahil anak namin yung bata at magandang nagkakasundo kami. Ganun. Yun, we're sweet to each other pero wala kaming relationship at wala kaming balak as of now na magbalikan. We're just really friends. I think kasi matanda na kami ng konti kaysa before. I've known him for 10 years, no? From the time I met him. And marami nang nangyari. So siguro nakakahiya naman kung hindi pa kami magmamature ngayon. So I think we're mature enough na accepting each other as we are and just become friends and for the sake of our daughter.
Babes, I
Ano
miss
bang
you.
kakaibang napapansin mo kay Casey pag nakikita niya magkasama kayo, lalo na nung graduation niya?
Si Casey, pag nakikita niya magkasama kami ni Gabby, she's very happy pero nahihiya. Nakakahiya nga, yung anak namin naaalangan sa amin. Ganon. Kasi nasanay siya nung hindi kami laging magkasama ng papa niya. Pero happy siya, ganon. Gusto niya lagi magkasama kaming tatlo, ganon. Eh, hindi naman pwedeng lagi-lagi rin. So, nakakatuwa.
Hindi ba inilalakad sa ni Casey ang papa niya?
Hindi naman, naman. Nagtatanong-tanong lang yan minsan-minsan. I think Casey at this point, kasi she's almost 6 years old, she's very well adjusted. Napaka well adjusted. She's very smart. She's very intelligent. Hindi mo mabola yung anak ko eh. Hindi mo mabenta. Ako ang binobola niyan eh. Naiisahan ako niyan eh. And she nalilito tuloy ako. Shhh! Kanang shhh! Ikaw muna, Alex! Nanto ka na naman? Ikaw muna, ha? Hindi. And wala naman kasi alam naman niyang, siguro she knows by now na kanya-kanya kaming desisyon ng papa niya. So,
I miss you.
Last question natin siya. Anong ugali ni Robin ang gusto mong baguhin sa kanya? Kung kayo na.
iisipin ko muna tapos next time na itanong sa akin, sasagutin ko. Ano nga ba? Anyway, Ogie, thank you very much. And mga
Thank you.
kaibigan, sana I'll have you again very soon on the show. Hindi ako galit sa'yo, ha? Gusto ko lang, nagtampo talaga ako doon kasi na-misinform mo si Ogie. Hindi naman ho totoo yun, di ba? Anyway, Ogie, thank you. And mga kaibigan, wag po kayong maalis. Magbabalik po kami after a few reminders.
Good night.